How to play Roblox without the app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can play Roblox without the app. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. First step, open up a web browser, and after you do, simply search for Roblox. After you search for Roblox, you will find Roblox's website. Head over to roblox.com. After you're there, log in into your account and you will be able to use your Roblox in here just as you do for your app. And you can start playing games from here as well. Just select a game and then start with the playing. And it's that simple, guys, and that is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.